बचपन में मुझे मालूम नहीं कैसे ये हुआ, लेकिन ऐसा कुछ हुआ कि मेरे माँ बाप ने या टीचर्स ने या दोस्तों ने या जो मोहल्ले वाले हैं, उन सब लोगों ने कुछ ऐसा कुछ सिखाया मुझे कि मुझे जानने की इच्छा बहुत ज़्यादा हो गई हर चीज़ में. सो लाइक क्यूरियस जॉर्ज और द क्यूरियस कैट, आई वॉन्ट टू नो एवरीथिंग. मुझे बड़ी तकलीफ़ होती है अगर कोई चीज़ या कोई शब्द मुझे बोला जाए और मुझे उसका मायने ना आता हो या उसकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग ना हो. मोर ऑफन देन नॉट, बिकॉज आई एम एन एक्टर, व्हेन पीपल से समथिंग दैट आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड और नो अबाउट, I just act out that I've understood by behaving like, yeah. Oh, yeah, of course. Yeah. Lot of words that Uday speaks just before we did, like eclectic, I still don't understand. But back there, I kept on going, this is a very eclectic show. Yeah, I understand. Yeah. So I've been doing that all my life. But the only good habit I have is as soon as I find out something I don't know, even before the times of Google, when we used to look for words in the dictionary, or if we were well-to-do enough, had an encyclopedia at home, I would rush home and try to understand, ask my father, ask my mother, ask my teachers. And the only thing else that I could ask was TED Talks. And that time TED Talks wasn't available like it is now on the digital medium, and now inshallah on television very, very soon. But I was a big fan of TED Talks. और वो इसलिए नहीं कि हमेशा वो जवाब मुझे मिलता था जो मैं पूछना चाह रहा था सवाल, बट उन लोगों की बातें जो मर्द और औरत वहाँ पे आके बातें करते थे, उनसे कुछ ना कुछ मुझे समझने को, सीखने को मिलता था. For years I followed TED Talks, and especially when the World Wide Web came around, even in the days with that old modem. We've forgotten those days, now we just click on something, it happens. The world has moved on so much, but the only thing that hasn't changed for me is that I still look forward to hearing a TED Talk, whichever's happening anywhere in the world. When they started a franchise all around the world, TED Talks X, TEDx, I started following that. And first of all, before I go on to say anything, I want to genuinely, from the bottom of my heart, thank this wonderful gentleman, Chris Anderson, and this lovely lady, Juliet, for allowing me to be a part of TED Talks recently when they called me over to Vancouver. It is perhaps, if I may say, the most eclectic, intellectual, wonderful gathering that I've ever been in the world, and perhaps the greatest achievement of my whole career and actually my whole 52 years of life. So thank you so much, Chris, and thank you, Juliet, for calling me there. I was extremely nervous. I didn't know how to speak there, being an actor, professional actor for 30 years, but to go and speak in front of some of the best minds, and not the best minds because they have a collection of the greatest of scientists, innovators, inventors, no. The best minds because they have the simplest idea, the smallest idea, and they're willing to share it with the world, because I truly believe the world changes by the smallest of ideas. I hear a lot of people who talk about world domination and taking over and doing this and changing the face. No, I think all changes that take place in the world, in life, anywhere in the universe, I think, is because of a small idea. And I think the bigness of TED Talks lies in the fact that it gives a huge platform to the smallest of ideas.